Okay, here we have another one. 8x to the fourth minus 22x squared minus 4x plus 15 all over 2x minus 3. The first thing we're supposed to do is verify our exponents, and you can see that we're missing x to the third. So I have an x to the fourth, and then I jump to an x squared. So I'm missing one. So we're going to fix that by putting in 0x to the third. Doesn't matter if it's plus or minus, because 0, it doesn't matter with the 0. But anyway, so now I have 8x to the fourth plus 0x cubed minus 22x squared minus 4x plus 15 all over 2x minus 3. I go ahead and I make my Polyduco box. Again, 3 rows. The bottom's going on the left, 2x minus 3. The top goes on the bottom. Make sure that you put the 0, 1 in there. There it is. And then we're going to go ahead and take the 8x to the fourth and put it right here. So there's 8x to the fourth right there. And now we're going to toggle back and forth between the top, the bottom, the middle, top, bottom, middle, etc. So what goes up here in order for 2x times the top here to be 8x to the fourth should be 4x cubed. There it is. Take the 4x cubed times the bottom row, put it down here at the bottom. You should get negative 12x cubed. I wanted 0x cubes though. So I need something right here plus the negative 12 to give me 0. So this should be 12x cubed. Again, we're going to go in reverse. 12x cubed divided by 2x and get the top should be 6x squared. Take the 6x squared times the negative 3 and get negative 18x squared. But I wanted negative 22x squared. So I have 18 negatives. I want 22 negatives. So this should be negative 4x squared. What times 2x is negative 4x squared should be negative 2x. Negative 2x times negative 3 is 6x, but I wanted negative 4x. So I want 4 negatives. I'm at 6 positives, so I'm going to have to go negative 10. And then negative 10, what times 2x gives me negative 10x? This should be negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 3 is 15. So there it is. The answer to this division problem is 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 2x minus 5.